Welcome back to my channel. I am Om Panchal and today we'll talk about Koenigsegg CC850. The Koenigsegg CC850 is a tribute to brand's first production car CC8S. Tribute to original CC8S with design aesthetic and a unique transmission setup which includes a manual as well as automatic transmission. To power this machine, the engine is from Koenigsegg Jesko. The 5-liter V8 engine produces 1185 bhp on standard fuel and 1385 bhp on E85 fuel, while the torque is rated at 1385 Nm. Similar to the Koenigsegg 1:1, the CC852 has a 1:1 weight to power ratio. The Koenigsegg CC850 features something called Engage Shift System, the ESS, based on Koenigsegg Light Speed Transmission (LST), and comes with a clutch pedal which serves the dual purpose of using a 6-speed manual as well as 9-speed automatic transmission. Koenigsegg has not disclosed the price of CC850 yet, but expect the car to be priced equally or more expensive than the models such as Jesko, which comes at approx $3 million. I hope you liked my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you.